Oh my god. That was scary, Melon. I know. Why did I do this? Give me that one. It's back to normal again. The entire bridge is destroyed. Oh. No. Where are you? I miss you. You're my best friend, Melon. Melon was nowhere to be found. Melon! I lost my best friend. Yeah. The old house I used to love is destroyed. Melon? Melon, not you? No! I loved you. I didn't tell you this, but I had a crush on you the entire round. Why did you leave me? Goodbye, Melon. Debris is everywhere. The end. Subscribe for part 3. Subscribe.